Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication with a quick restoration tip. The fastest way to remove the inner wheel bearing plus dust grease seal. Step number 1, remove the cap. Step number 2, unseat and remove the cotter pin. Now this spindle nut shouldn't be very tight on the spindle, so it's okay to just loosen that with a pair of adjustable pliers. It won't damage the nut. Okay, now we're going to remove the hub and remove the washer and the outer wheel bearing. Now this is the trick. We're going to reinstall the hub, spin the nut on, rethread it a few turns. Now you have to cock the hub, catch the wheel bearing on that nut, and that will unseat and remove the wheel bearing and the grease seal. And the cool part about this is if the grease seal isn't damaged or maybe it's hard to find, well, you can reuse it. Hey, as always, thanks for watching.